Have you looked in your plastic kettle lately? So over the years, with daily use, your plastic kettle will look weathered. A quick glance inside might reveal that the plastic mesh the water runs through is filled with pieces, or might even be broken down, and you can guess where you think all the disintegrated plastic pieces have already gone. So in today's day and age, we can be happy and grateful that we don't need to start a fire in order to bring up some boiling water. In today's age, we can just insert the plug into the electricity, and a little bit of waiting and a little bit of electricity because we have burning hot water. So a study, researchers found out that if you're exposing plastic to boiling water, it's going to release these toxic chemicals 55 times faster than it normally would. So these plastic kettles are not recommended, as they might leach endocrine-disrupting chemicals like bisphenol A and phthalates, all kinds of nasty chemicals you don't want in your coffee. You don't want to boil your water in these plastic kettles. No more. You can see all the particles swimming around down there. Where do you think all that is ending up? Inside of you. When the description of the kettle says, all plastic components in direct contact with water are made BPA-free, beware. Current research shows that common BPA replacements, that could be BPS, BPF, BPAF, those are as bad, maybe even worse than BPA. If you have a plastic lid on your kettle, beware. The steam condenses into the lid and collects and drips down into the water again. So you get these chemical, not good. So the healthy alternative I switched to, I decided to pay a little bit extra and get this B-stuff, a water kettle. This is with a lot of nice functions. For example, the built-in timer with auto start and temperature controller. This was one of the greater things with this one. You can program it into starting 5 minutes before you wake up, and when you are waking up, you have your hot water ready to brew a non-toxic, delicious coffee. This has been a game changer for me, and it is such a wonderful experience using this kettle every single morning compared to that toxic shit plastic kettle I used earlier. This one I can recommend. It's a little bit slow of boiling the water, but with the timer and the function where you can just adjust it and it starts by itself, there's no problems. It's heating the water up with no chemicals. That's what we like. Have you been using a plastic kettle for maybe years without even being aware of you are boiling all these plastic chemicals and adding them into your beverages and hot teas and water? Did you know? Have you maybe used that for many years? I certainly have. My parents are still using a toxic old plastic kettle. So if you have a toxic plastic kettle at home and maybe have been using it for a couple of years now, I want to encourage you to switch that out with a healthier version. A version that does not fuck with your health. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video all the way to the end today. In the next episode of the replacement journey, we are going to look at something we all use maybe every single day. With the little non-stick when we are frying some bacon, when we are frying some eggs. The frying pan. You know, that non-stick. Smart non-stick covering. It's not going to end well. So make sure to subscribe for more videos so you stay updated. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Why would anyone do this? Thumbs down if you chose to replace your legs with bamboo sticks. You thought that it was healthier for you to just cut off your legs, and now you're walking on bamboo sticks. Smart choice. I'm gonna go now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in your next one. I'll see you in the next one.